One of the most common investing questions people ask is a simple one. When is the best time to invest? Should you wait for the opportune time for markets to fall and buy low? Should you jump in when everything is rising, catching the tidal wave of gains? The truth is, timing the market is extremely difficult, even for the most seasoned professional investors. That's where dollar cost averaging can help. Dollar cost averaging is a straightforward investing approach. Here's how it works. You invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of what the market is doing at the time. Instead of investing a large lump sum all at once, you can spread your investments out over time. Let's look at an example. Imagine investing $500 every month into an ETF. Some months the market will go up. Some months the market will experience turbulence and decline. When prices are higher, your $500 buys fewer units of the ETF. However, when prices are lower, it buys more units of your chosen ETF. Over time, this strategy helps average out the price you pay for your investments. Let's break it down further. In our more specific example, you are investing in a volatile market. One month, shares might cost $50. The next month, they fall to $40. Then they rise to $55. If you invest the same amount each month, your purchases will naturally adjust over time. You buy more when prices are lower and less when prices are higher. Dollar cost averaging allows you to be consistent and disciplined by not trying to predict market movements. Many investors use dollar cost averaging through automatic, recurring contributions into their investment accounts. That could mean regularly contributing to a tax-free savings account, a TFSA, a registered retirement savings plan, an RRSP, or another investment account. So why does dollar cost averaging really matter? One of the biggest challenges investors face is emotion. It is what makes us human. When markets fall, fear can cause us to withdraw and stop investing. When markets rise, excitement can lead you to chase those higher prices. Dollar cost averaging helps to counter those tricky emotions. It also lowers the pressure to find the perfect moment to invest. There is no perfect moment. The key is to stay invested over the long term. History shows us that long-term participation in the stock market has been one of the most consistent drivers of investment growth. Dollar cost averaging isn't going to help you predict the future, but it will help you build a habit that underpins long-term wealth building. Invest regularly, stay disciplined, let time work in your favor. By doing this, investors can steadily build their portfolios even during periods of uncertainty in the markets. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more from Money Focus. See you next time.